Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix cannot connect to this network error in Windows 10 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you have open command prompt. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on S to allow, then type here net sh space winshock space reset, then hit enter. Then type here one more command ipconfig space /flush DNS, then hit again enter. After doing this, close this window, open your settings, click on network and internet, then click on advanced network settings. In this you can see here network reset, click on this, then click on reset now. After doing this, once you restart your laptop or PC, fix your problem. So in this you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.